Good evening, dear my sister. My name is Andrea Hidalgo. I am going to present the quantitative research issues and the different concepts, characteristics, and sub-examples. Is this a summarize the topic 3 and 4? And the members of my group are Cobotipán Andrea Belén, Flores Bermeo Víctor Hugo, Guzmán Farinango Pamela Rocío, Hernández Lascano Melanie Elizabeth, and Hidalgo Añarumba Andrea Zulay.
Quantitative research issues. Quantitative research involves collecting and analyzing numerical data to answer research questions. While powerful, it faces several issues. The one issue is validity and reliability. Validity is does the research measure what is intended to measure, and the reliability is does the research will consistent result if repeated. The generalizability can the findings be applied to a wider population beyond the research sample? The data quality is measurement error and non-response bias. The measurement error is an intentional error in data collection or measurement. The other one is non-responses bias, is when certain individuals are more likely to respond than others, skewing results. The other one is statistical techniques, choosing appropriate statistical tests and interpreting results correctly. And the other one is cost and time. The cost and time in quantitative research can be costly and time consuming, especially with large sample size.
In this part, we have numbers in academic writing. Numbers are essential for providing precise and accurate information. They provide precision to statement in qualitative research, but in quantitative research, they focus on gathering data. According to their classifications, we have the whole numbers that are the all natural numbers and the rational numbers that they are expressed in as a ratio of 2 interhertz, and the interhertz are the positive and negative numbers, and the irrational numbers, they are numbers that are not written, is like as symbols like p. Moreover, we have some types like continuous, that continuous variables that can be fractional values as weight or temperature, and discrete numbers that are countable. And the last one, we have categorical number that are descriptive variables, as for example as hair color or levels or satisfaction.
I am going to talk about of types of numbers. In quantitative research, numbers are crucial for measuring and analyzing data. They are classified into different types, such as discrete and continuous data, categorical, ordinal, interval, and ratio variables. These categories enable the quantification of phenomena and the application of a statistical analysis to the very meaningful conclusion for collected data. In this slide, we have different examples, the types of numbers with continuous numbers taking any value on a range. For example, weight, height with infinitely many possible values. The categorical numbers representing categories or groups, for example, gender, occupation. The discrete whole numbers, for example, 1, 2, representing distinct quantities.
Hello, my name is Victor Flores, and I'm going to talk about types of variables. Okay, controlled variable, we have nominal variables. In this, it has to do with naming. So nominal comes from naming, and that's all you can do with variables. Represent categories without inherent ranking, such as gender or ethnicity. Ordinal variables have categories with a meaningful order but inconsistent intervals, like education levels. Ordinal implies order, and order means classification. So the things that are measured are in some order. Okay. We have interval variables have a meaningful order and consistent intervals, but lack a true zero point, like temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And radio variables feature a meaningful order, consist intervals, and a true zero point, indicating the absence of the measured quantity. For instance, height, weight, and income. Uh, Radio variables have all the properties of interval variables, plus a real absolute zero. That is, the value of zero represents the total absence of the variable being measured. Some examples of radio variables are like measurements in the English or metric system, time, seconds, minutes, or etc. Thank you.
The labels on measurement is sorry, the nominal measurement categories data into distinct groups with inert order. The ordinal measurement is categories data in groups a rank of order. The interval is a equal intervals a measurement between values, but not through 0 point. The ratio, it's a measurement equal intervals between at the true 0 point. It's example 8 or 8. In statics, variables are characteristics or attributes that can vary, are studied in research. The labels is measurement categories are variables based on the nature of the information they provide. There are four types of variables and four levels of measurement that you see this and continue.